Hello, good morning, my dear students. So now actually let us consider this question. Construct a push down automata for L equal to A to the power n, B to the power m, C to the power n. The given condition n and m greater than or equal to 1 like that they have given. For this, let us consider this string. Actually, you can get lot of strings based on the input value of n and m. Right now, I am going to consider that n equal to 2 and m equal to 3. So actually the input string you can consider any string you can consider, but right now I am going to consider that a to the power 2, the length a, b to the power 3, b, then c to the power 2, c, like that I am going to consider. So for this I am going to construct the transition diagram. So write the transition function for this one. Now we are going to consider this input and also the stack. So the case is, while constructing the PDA, you are supposed to be consider the inputs and also the stack. Here, you can consider the construct the transition function. So to of here, let us consider the input, that is A. This A, first A, and from stack you can consider the top of the stack is Z0. That's you are considering. So you can take any state, capital A, capital B, capital C, etc., etc., or capital P, capital Q, whatever it may be, or x1, x2, x3, whatever it may be. Now actually usually we are considering that Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, these are the stacks. That is what the starting state I am going to consider Q0. So from here Q0 input is, the first input is A, and the top of the stack is Z0. So here this is moves to the same state with the A into Z0. That is what I am writing. So now the first one is input is taken, and also it goes to actually the first input stack is, that is A. So this is completed. Now we are moving to the next one, that is to off. From the same state you can start here. So the next input is A, and the top of the stack is A. So you can consider A. So now you can get actually this one A. That is also the same state, that is Q0. So for this you can draw the transition diagram. So initially actually A, and here stack is Z0, A is Z0. Now the same loop actually input is A and stack is A, then A. So whenever actually now we have taken A equal to 2, if you have taken the finite number of the strings, then for n equal to 10 or n equal to 100, whatever it may be, actually the cycle will be fulfilled all the needs of this strings. So I am moving to the next one, that is B. So whatever the string actually over here, that is A and A, this is pushed over here. So same thing you have to be pop. So for instead of this A, I can pop this C. For this A, I can pop this C. But what can I do for this B? So I am going to keep the B as it is. So that is what keep the B as it is. So here next to off. So I can start from the same state, that is Q0, to the next state, that is Q1. So input is, what is that? Input is B. The top of the stack right now, after completed the second one, the top of this one is A. So that A I am going to consider. This one I am not going to push here. So that is what. So I am making the top as A only. So here this one, that is B, then A. Okay, so gives the top of this one is A. So goes to Q1, that is Q1. So there is no change in operation. So next B. So I can make a cycle of this one. See here, to off from Q1 starting, B, input is B, and the top of the one is same because there is no change. Then it goes to the same, top of this one is stack is A. So that is what B, then A goes to A. So because actually I am not going to do anything here. So now here this cycle will be fulfill n number of, that is finite number of inputs of B here. So that is what. So there is no change. So now I supposed to be pop this one because I have considered, I have pushed this A and A. I say by the same time I have to pop this A for C, then A for this C. So that is what actually from Q1 I am going to consider this Q1. So the input is C here. So now the top of this one is A, when I do the pop, actually this will be get removed. So then goes to the next state of Q2, it becomes empty. Do you understand? No? So right now again next another final one is C is there. So you can take it from Q2. Again I am going to make a loop. The input is C, that is what actually here I am taking that C. Then the top of, now the top of one is A, not here. Now this one is A, so that A. So now I am going to remove this one. So here, so popped then become epsilon. Okay, so what is that? Now you can look over this one. The string is becoming empty. So I am coming to the end of the question here. Now we can start from this Q2. There is Q2. What is that? Actually the stack is empty. What is the top? Top is what? Z0 here. So here actually this is equal to, so now it is goes to the, if you are wanted to make it empty means you can go for the new state. So that is Q3 with the empty. So here end of the stack is that is string is epsilon. End of the stack is that is Z0. Okay, so I made it empty. That is what this one. So if I don't want to empty, okay, if I wanted to make it at the end of means, you can stop here itself, make Q2 as a end one, make it double circle, then you can put Z0 over here. That's it. One more thing. So this one you cannot make any changes. So you have to do like this only. So the case is in this measure of this one is when you are doing this actually you are making this B as a stable over here. Okay, so you supposed to be write the same, that is top state is A as it is. See like here. Thank you.